Have you ever wanted to adjust the space between characters in your text? Character spacing in Microsoft Word can greatly improve your document's readability and overall appearance. Let's take a look at how to change it. I already have a document open here, and I feel it would look better if the characters were spaced out a bit for easier reading. So, let's get started. First, select the text you want to apply character spacing to. You can press Ctrl+A to select the entire document, but for this demonstration, I'll select just a portion of the text so you can clearly see the difference. Good. Next, navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, look for the small arrow at the bottom right corner. Click on it to open the font dialog box. In the font dialog box, switch to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll find the character spacing section. By default, the spacing option is set to normal. Click on the Spacing drop-down menu to see the available options. The first option is Expanded. This increases the space between characters, making text easier to read and giving it a more open, airy look, great for headings or emphasis. The next option is Condensed. This reduces the space between characters, allowing more text to fit into a smaller space, useful for tables or tight layouts. Now let me select Expanded to space out the characters of the selected text. Once selected, you'll notice the by value is set to 1 point by default. This controls how much space is added between the characters. The higher the number, the wider the spacing. Let's leave it at 1 point for now and click OK to apply it. Nice. As you can see, the characters are now more clearly spaced and easier to read. Let's take it a step further. I'll open the font dialog box again and increase the by value to 2 points. Click OK to apply it. Now you can clearly see the difference. This is more spaced out than the 1 point setting. You can also apply the same process using condensed spacing. Let me select another part of the text and reduce the spacing between the characters. Once again, I'll open the font dialog box. Choose Condensed from the spacing options and leave the by value at 1 point. Click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed character spacing in Microsoft Word. You can clearly see the difference between expanded and condensed text and decide which works best for your document. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks.